How to use Gamma AI for Website 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Gamma AI and how you're going to be using it to create a website for yourself. So what you do is you're going to come over to your Gamma AI and you're going to go over to the sites option. Now, once you're here, simply click on create site. And once we've clicked on create site, right over here, you're going to describe what you would like to make. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and write a prompt, minimalistic website with let's say transitions and 3D images. So let's say I'm going to keep it at that and we're going to generate an outline. All right. So here we have it. And you're going to choose your general, outlook for the website. So let's say I want to go with this, let's go with a very minimalistic look and let's click on generate. So once you click on generate, it's going to go ahead and start generating all these website cards for you. And it's going to make it look as much as a website as it can. And look at that. Look at how incredible and nice that looks. So just like this, you can go ahead and create a great looking website through Gamma AI in the easiest and most simplest way. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.